Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Uber Eats application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your Android device, open up the Google Play Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Uber Eats and start your search. Once you find the Uber Eats application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Uber Eats application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app, and then you can continue to log in or sign up using your account in order to start using Uber Eats from your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Uber Eats application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.